Okay, Tuesday, January 3rd. This is a morning SPY update right at the open, first trading day of the year. You can see here on the first 15-minute bar, we kind of started up a little bit, but was pretty neutral, never really closed strongly green, didn't reach the intraday high. And then we came down with a 2 up, 2 down kind of bar. So there was a short signal right here to start the day. And we want to see now if we come to this yellow line, which discussed in the pre-opening video, that would be the halfway point of yesterday's bar. That would be the 2 up failure on the day. It would also be the 2 up failure on the weekly chart, which you could see here. The inside bar broke to the upside this morning, didn't reach its target. And if we can get to the halfway point of that bar, we should be targeting those lows and starting lower. So we're going to monitor that. The stop, as it turns out, is in line with the opening price, and this is a key level now. This is purple line. It's going to be a very important area to monitor going forward, because that's the area above that. We have the year, the month, the week, and the day green. If we stay below that, then the continuity is to the downside. So you went short here as you saw this bar failing, and now you have a very tight stop kind of at the midway point of the first bar, which also aligns with the open of that bar. So if we don't head down here to this yellow line and confirm a downtrend, then we kind of have a big, strong rally back to the upside, then it's just going to show you we had a little bit of a red to green move to start the day, and we might be starting up. But we still want to break out above that first bar high. So we're going to, need some price action that gives us high probability to do that. In the meantime, as we head lower here, you just want to see us either continue, you want to be short here. You want to see if we continue below that line. That will confirm what we're looking for, and then you just want to see orderly pullback, some kind of directional move, one push down, orderly pullback, second push down. So as we sit here at the low end of the range, we took out the pre-market lows. We just want to see an orderly, as long as we can see an orderly pullback kind of in this area, then that will likely lead us to that yellow line, which will confirm a bigger picture, weak start to the year, possibly, something at the high of this range, moving to the low end of that range. And then we're just going to go from there and see, if we can take out these 2 weekly lows in place. And then there's other targets heading lower. So, and again, in the monthly chart, I still think, the odds are we're going to take out those lows. So the question is, do we do that very quickly in the month and then, possibly hit some of those targets on kind of a continuation lower, but that's going to take time to figure out. So anyway, this is it right here. We're kind of pausing here, not really rallying. So, the more you can't get a nice balance, the more we might be, the probability is in place to head lower here. So let's see what happens as the market continues here about 35 minutes after the open.